Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to attach file from Google Drive in Gmail. Alright, the first thing you should do is open your Gmail app on your phone, and then compose a new email by clicking on this compose button. And then you have to type your recipient or your Gmail right here, and put the subject and compose the email. You can type on the body email, and if you want to attach file from the Google Drive, you can simply click on this attachment button, and then you have to choose insert from drive, and you can select the item from your Google Drive that you want to attach to your Gmail, and wait for a moment. I'll go with this one. Just click on the file. Then you have to click select right here. Okay guys, and now we have attached the file from the Google Drive right here. Okay guys, that's how we can attach file from Google Drive. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.